Whew. All right, man, beautiful this morning. Welcome back to Moonshiner Garage, guys. Today's Friday. It's dew on the ground, but it feels absolutely amazing. It's supposed to get a little warmer today. Come on, boy. And yeah, so we're definitely going racing today. We're definitely going to take Prime Dime out. We'll be running a little Jake down there at XRP this evening. See the improvements that we did on the trucks. It's the dyno, timing changes, fuel changes, head changes, and a sticky track. So excited about that. If y'all don't want to listen to this bull this morning, because you know I'm headed down to the chicken farm, and if you don't want to listen to it, that's fine. Go ahead and fast forward to the track. We're going to be there. You can catch up with this. But one more thing I want to shout out before I tell you exactly what we did to this chicken coop that just blows my mind is Bad Attitude C10, guys. He has this game, and you know the Moonshiner don't pay attention, but I want to help out everybody that's got a channel that's trying to do something, right? Well, he's got this game. You pay him like, I don't remember, like $15 or maybe $30 or something like that a year, and he does a raffle, like, I don't know, like once a week, and you can win some. And I've already won 2 or 3 times. Like, I've got my money back like 10 times. This week I actually won it, and dude, look at this. I got this badass spark plug gapper with filler set up. I only got one hand, guys. Give me just a minute. Set of filler gauges, nice filler gauges too. I know filler gauges just flat steel, but these are really nice. They're not all tight, they're kind of loose. I like that. But this gap setter, man, I've been needing one of these. They're nice. I got like some black billet powder coated. Freaking awesome, dude. So go see these guys, Bad Attitude C10, Bad Attitude Performance on YouTube channel. Message him, tell him the Moonshiner Garage sent you. Tell him you want to get in on that. You want to win some of that way all the time, and it's fucking nothing, dude. It's nothing. Beep. Sorry about that. Check out this chicken coop, though, right? We went down there yesterday to an unclaimed freight. I bought a billboard. This was a billboard sign. It's 14 by 48 long. Super heavy duty gauge, plastic. The wind's not gonna tear it up, the sun's not gonna tear it up. And then me and my son, we've been going over it with the chicken wire to help hold it down, because we get a lot of wind. As you can tell, they call it Huggins Hill here, because all the way around me I can see just miles and miles and miles of so we get a lot of wind out here, right? So, and it's fixing to get cold, so this is for my chicken coop. I freaking love it. The one that I thought I was buying was McDonald's McChicken, so I was gonna have McDonald's McChickens up here, but when I unfolded it, it ended up being a rental company, so I got screwed on that, so we flipped it inside out, put the black on the outside, but I think my girls like it. You like it, girls? You like it? Huh? Your rent is due. You better have me some eggs. These girls kicked me out 8 eggs yesterday. That's right. Hurry up. Get out of the way. I want my money. Whoa. You're jumping on my head. Look at that. Don't that just see how that was? It would have been so cool if that would have been McChicken. But anyways, it's not. But at least I could tell the story. I might have made that story up. Y'all believe anything. All right, let's see here. Pretty pumped up this morning because y'all know I've been working out, getting myself right. No processed foods, no sugars, none of that. I got more energy now than I had back when I was knocking them Red Bulls down every morning. Look at that egg. Come on, ladies. Come on. That's a fake egg. Put that back in there. That's for the snakes. Starting to smell a little funky in here, though. What's up? That's a real egg. I just got bloodied my finger up. They've been roosting in here. No eggs. I shouldn't have let them out until I collected my rent, dude. That's what happens. It's just about... It's like back when I used to sell marijuana, man. You know, you can't front that shit. They never pay you back. Damn it. Anyways, I don't do that shit no more. And I ain't gonna let them out no more until I get my eggs. So, anyways, I love the chickens, guys. I love the tank. I love my life. I love my wife. We're gonna have a great freaking day. Come on, Piston, let's get out of here, man. What are you doing? Anyways, I gotta go back to our lumber yard, feed store, whatever you want to call it. I gotta get some more wire because I bought 100 feet thinking that would do it, and that didn't do but 4 runs. So I gotta put about 4 or 5 more runs on it, get that locked down, and we are good to go. It's gonna be predator proof from hell. Anyways, probably won't video no more of that. Oh snap, we got so busy knocking out the wire, I forgot to mention, we need to mention our sponsors. Ryan, Jake.
Hey guys, today's video is brought to you by Frankenstein Engine Dynamics, the leader of engine technology. If you want to go fast, call Frankenstein Engine Dynamics. Right, Frankie?
Trailer maintenance. Trailer maintenance. It's hard keeping these race crews going, isn't it? Keep that equipment working, huh? Huh, boss? Huh, boss? Ah! What do you think, Austin?
Okay, I promised y'all we was gonna go racing today, and that's what we're gonna do. Let's see what the boys say. All right, guys. So, what's the goal today with the Prime Dyne? What's happening?
The goal today is to make some good A to B passes, see if the cam sensor is doing what we think it's doing, and see if the voltage is doing what we think it's doing. All in all, just have a good time tonight.
What all changes have we done?
That's not what we're doing here today.
Oh, what are we doing?
What we're doing
Dad?
today is see if we can back up the number that we ran in Arkansas.
And what's that number?
766.
Oh yeah, it was like a tenth and a half slower than I ran. That's right.
But also to get higher on the converter, see if we can launch it a little harder.
Oh, so we're gonna like get a little bit more aggressive with the deal today.
Yeah. So cam sensor is giving us little fits. I think we're not 100% sure.
That was the breakup in the dyno video.
Yeah, and it kind of it's backfired through the carburetor a couple times on startup, but I'm not so sure if it's that or if it's me. But we'll figure that part of it out. It seems to run fine, so we want to see if we can back up the number we ran with him having a patch on the truck. So we know with the 300-pound rider, he went at 779. So I want to try to do that because I'm about 300 pounds, 285. Okay, so put me in there, see if we can run that or better, and then throw you in there because the last guy that rode with him when he went 766 was Kevin, and you got about, what, 30 pounds?
Hey, I just lost 10 pounds, Bubba.
Hey, look at that. Yeah, so,
I'm down 10 pounds.
It should be pretty comparable with you in there if we can run in the 760s again, and then if he feels comfortable, well, I'm going to let him run solo tonight.
Okay, so what changes have we done to the truck since tailgate throwdown, since these numbers?
Nothing.
A little bit of tuning on the dyno or no?
Yeah, we took it to the dyno.
Yeah. We figured out that the timing's a little weird. It did better when it was lower on timing than when it was higher on timing. Because the last time we had it out before the throwdown, right, we were trying to slow it down. So we kept it about there for the throwdown in the dyno. It was at about 27 degrees, and it did better than about 30, 31 degrees of timing. So we're going to see what it does.
Well, at 30 it went up, but we started breaking up, and that's when we started having the voltage problems. So we don't know. We're fighting a couple of things here. We know we are. It's the last time we can take it out before it goes in the cage. So once we get it back from the cage, I'm going to swap to a different alternator, and we're going to change a couple of the way things are wired, and hopefully it rectifies the issue.
Yeah.
And on top of that, we got a new carburetor coming from somebody. What's up with that?
Yeah, Clayton got with ATM, and ATM has built him a brand new billet-bodied 850, which I was like, what, 850? But according to them, the way the specs are on the engine, they're like, hey, those heads need to breathe, and we need more CFM. So
It's gonna be awesome to have you a badass crispy carburetor on there.
Yeah. Hey, whatever.
That thing looks like it came out of the bottom of the river.
It did.
Look, dude, Old Faithful has given everybody lots of runs throughout its years. It's a little tired, but it's still good.
All right, well, we're gonna get to it. Well, I thought I was coming to make content, but I didn't know I was gonna be the rider. Let's go. be honest with you, I think old Jake had like the first run jitters. How long has it been since you made a pass?
About a month. Yeah.
About a month since he's been in his truck. Dad told him, let's just do that again, and let's beat on it a little bit this time. He said.
Hey, this time I want you to do your burnout. Take a look at the temperature. If you're still at 150, run it without the fan on. Let's see if it helps with the voltage issue, okay? Because that fan has a big draw, and there might be the all there can't keep up, but I want to know if it runs better with the fan off. Thomas, if you look down and it starts going hot, just reach over and kick that black one on.
Gotcha. I'm gonna catch the tack for you this time, so you don't have to be able to look at it. Get it? Oh yeah.
You gonna switch up a little more?
Good job. That's all right. Move it around. Alright, well, we went red. We went red. That's my fault. I pushed him. I was like, don't you wait, don't you wait. But the little truck took off a little faster than I thought it was going to, honestly.
I kind of wanted to do that, honestly, because I haven't had the feeling of going red in a little bit, and I need to learn how to do that. Because that's how you know you're getting better.
That's, you could have been point something away from a perfect light.
That's what we're hoping for.
Let's see how red you went.
Because I left on yellows.
You did. I didn't think it would go red. I ain't gonna lie. You got me on that one.
This truck hardly ever goes red. The only other time it went red was the first few months of driving it.
Yeah.
Like,
So the red light was my fault because I was telling him, don't fucking wait on that. Don't wait on that green. So that red light was my fault.
I just waited for a solid red. You're just going to stop, back up, just testing. So,
They didn't change our time none. It should have been better actually because he was so deep in it. It should have been faster.
it's the same mile an hour.
same amount of
How far off was he on that light?
06.
Oh, so he was.
Oh, 06, 01. Anyways.
Yeah, okay.
No, that's not good at all. Yeah, I mean, the 60 foot and everything sucked.
Maybe it don't like the converter up that high.
Maybe it don't.
You know, I went through that with the Moonshiner. Remember me telling you that everybody was messaging me, I had a big block, I was doing 5,000.
Yeah, it's just weird though, because you got in the truck out there.
And I was aggressive with it. Yeah. Okay. Time was pretty slow. We're gonna find out if it was the truck or the driver. We're gonna put Moonshiner behind the wheel. What's up? Let's do this. So it's definitely the truck, because I went slower than Jake did. No, unless it just don't like being wrapped out like I just wrapped it out.
No, That sounded bad right off the hit.
Did it?
It sounded bad in the burnout too.
When you was telling me up the throttle, I had it on the floor, buddy.
Yeah,
And the
What was
temp's
the
not,
temp?
temp's not even hot.
Temp's not hot?
Maybe we got the mini.
It's,
Get on with that.
Okay, guys, this wasn't our greatest video, wasn't our greatest time, but we still had a good time. Main thing we want to point out is if you're going to get some cylinder heads, where are you going to get the cylinder heads from?
Frankenstein Engine Dynamics.
That's right. And what did we learn today, Ryan?
well, the cylinder heads weren't the problem. We learned that.
Now, cylinder heads doing their job.
We learned that, you know, when Dave says maybe wait to go to the track, you wait a little bit.
Nah.
But, you know, I mean, we can keep on waiting, but we're going to run out of time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. But now we got all the time in the world.
And unfortunately, it's probably going to be the last time we see Prime Time for a little while.
Yeah, because we're gonna get the cage done, and then we're gonna have to put a whole new drivetrain in it, and swap over. Gotta find a lot of money.
It's going to be a while.
We're all going to be down.
Sweet.
Pick up the penny. That's it, guys. Appreciate y'all hanging out with us.
We tried.
Don't forget to always be
Sharon.
subscribing.
Yeah, you gotta be subscribing, because if you ain't
Subscribing.
subscribing, what are you doing?